Hey, Himanshu Bishtya from withhimanshu.com. In this video, you will be discovering about Podia. Podia is an online course, membership, and digital product selling platform. That means you can register your website on Podia and start selling your digital products like audiobooks, ebooks, and you can even host your courses on this platform. At the same time, they also provide features like membership. That means you can go to Podia and start making residual income in the form of membership subscription. People pay you for your services. Now, this is very interesting because this is one of the best ways to build a business online. Okay, as you will be moving ahead in this video, you will not just be discovering about Podia features and whether this platform is right for you to host your courses or not, but at the same time you will also be understanding how this whole business works. Selling online course is one of the best ways to build a lifestyle business, but you need to learn a few important things, and you will be also discovering as you will be walking ahead. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, first thing first, as a creator, I have explored a lot of platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, and Thinkific, but I finally picked up Podia as my platform. The reason for it was very clear. I was really interested in the features that Podia is providing, but at the same time, their support system is amazing. Okay, now back in 2019, I was working with this platform called Teachable. Now, Teachable is another competitor of Podia where you can host your programs, you can sell them online. Now, one day when I was working with them, I was stuck somewhere. I was having some query because my webs there was something wrong with my landing page and that was not loading up properly, and I put a support ticket to Teachable. Okay, and what happened eventually was something I really didn't like. I waited for 2 days and I didn't get a response. I sent them message on Facebook and again I didn't get any response. Now that was the time when I thought, then I decided to move to somewhere else. I looked up at WordPress, I looked up at Thinkific, but I choose Podia at the end. Now here are the reasons why I picked up. Okay, now first thing is their email. Now you can even send your whole email campaigns directly through Podia dashboard. You can send your students direct emails depending on what program they are going through, or you can also create an email list within Podia platform. At the same time, you can also create your sales pages. Now imagine people are not going to buy your courses directly, right? This is one of the simple rule when you are creating such kind of business. If people do not know you, if people do not trust you, they will not buy from you, right? So when before you navigate them to your course page, it's really amazing that you already have a sales page where you can discuss what you are going to tell them in your course, right? So this is a really good way to write your copy, explain your users before they even buy your product, so that you can generate more trust in them and they can believe that whatever they are getting is legit, it's not something bad, right? Now this is one of the reasons I really love Podia for. Another reason is pricing. Now, other platforms like Teachable and Thinkific, they also have a very similar pricing. But for that pricing, they are not giving that many offers, that many benefits that you can get with the Podia. For example, one of the features you can get is direct chat box. You might have seen this on some of the websites. On bottom right, you may see this chat box, right? It's a small chat box where people can put their email address and they can start chatting with you. Now, if you are generating more money, more people are coming to your website, you want them to interact with you more often, right? It is good for your business because you are interacting with them. Now, Podia provides this feature and this is the only platform that provides it, right? Of course, I have given the link in my description. You can check this out if you are looking to buy Podia, okay? Now, another reason is automation. You can connect with Zapier, you can connect with email platforms like GetResponse, ConvertKit directly with Podia, and you can automate all your subscriptions. Okay, now this is one of the features that you can find in different softwares as well. I really love the way you can directly import all your customers inside Podia. So for example, if you have a list in GetResponse, or if you are using any other email service providers, most of the email service providers are supported by Podia. So if you have created a list, and you can directly import them inside Podia, and this is one of the features that is really cool. You don't want to keep manually adding them to your products, right? For example, you have created an online course, so you don't want to manually add every one of them, right? And at the same time, you can use Zapier and automate most of your stuff. Okay, now the next feature what I really like is video hosting. Now, if you are working with WordPress, or if you are working with some other platforms, they do not all the platforms provide video hosting feature. Now, what is this? Now, imagine you are creating an online course and you are using YouTube for hosting your videos. Now, this is one thing that doesn't look really professional. With the help of Podia, you do not need to buy another hosting platform like Vistia or Vimeo. You can uh, Podia provides you unlimited video hosting. So you can create unlimited products, you can host unlimited videos, and you can create unlimited number of students. So this is one of the these are a few things I really loved Podia for. Some of the things I didn't really like about Podia are this. Okay, first thing I didn't really like about Podia is they do not have ultimatum plugin. For example, if you are creating a sales page, it's really good that you have some kind of timer so that people can know that when this offer will end. For example, you are providing 50% discount when you are launching your course, then it's really good that if you have a timer. This is the reason I use Thrive themes for creating my landing pages. I have given the link in my description that I use with WordPress. So my website is created on WordPress and I use Thrive themes for it, because there I get these offers that Podia doesn't provide. Now, other than this, um, it's really hard to find out the features I didn't really like about Podia, because in fact, when I was talking to people at Podia, they even told me that they are considering this feature of ultimatum. Now imagine not all the platforms, not all the companies do this. Not all the companies listen to their customers. Now another reason is their support. They are really good, because at one point of time I was stuck with some technical stuff, because when you are building your business you can get stuck. Now you can directly reach out to support and they will respond you within 24 hours, and you can tell them any kind of doubt you are facing and they will be ready to help you, right? So another thing, let me tell you some of the things I didn't really like about Podia. uh, One thing was my ability to customize my website. Now there are a very few ways you can customize your website. Now of course that is optimized. It's better that you are not customizing a lot, so that you can focus on things that matter. For example, the copy you are writing on your sales page, courses, actual course creation thing you can focus upon. But at the same time, I would really love if I would have more option to customize. Okay, now these are the things I didn't really like Podia for, but I know that these are not enough if you are really considering one platform where you can host your online course or you can sell your membership with. So if you are interested in Podia, check out my description, register for it. You can register for 14 days free trial. And one of the cool hacks I can actually give you, go for annual subscription, because there you will be saving 2 months for free. Okay, as you will be moving to annual subscription. So these are the things, this is the thing I wanted to share about Podia in this particular review. Let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion regarding this, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye.